Back on it.
Do you think the panic jack can be helpful in any way?
Oh, heck no, not accurate. I just need to, like, you kind of just have to, like, go and reach up. Like, maybe bring the right foot out on snare here to, like, go back that way. I might just stick with it real fast. If you give me some slack.
Oh my god, I need all these days of
Yeah, keep going. I'm in wreck. And then, I might just send the rope down and just, because I can't reach up and do it. Oh, I see. Maybe I could off of that one. Then I feel like I gotta click it. Oh, I guess once I get it on, I could probably click it.
Yeah, you can grab the drop.
Yeah, it's hard to like get into that position. It's pretty tough. Let me just do the. Hang on one sec. Don't stop until you get the big drag at the top. Yeah. Let me just send the rope down real fast and then I'll just flip it off. I think. You might have to jiggle the on this stuff. You might have to jiggle it to release it. Jiggle it in, like closer into the wall. There we go. I got it. Okay, I'm just gonna send this down real quick. Just being a nervous Nancy about. This is like right on my. This is like style of climbing I do. You probably just need to throw a beater on it, I guess, if you have one. Okay, hang on 1 second. I'll send you one down. I just don't want this to. Yeah, just flip it through the tool.